you can have a fast looking of this main screen, and you can see this job.arjun. That means this instrument is now working in a file named Arjun. You can see where this file. You can see highlighted 4 functions is here: measurement, media, memory, configuration. And in memory, you can see memory, job, non-data, code, dial-up, job, enter the job, job selection. You can see Arjun. That is a file name, and in this file name, the instrument is now working. You can select the file, take the list, that is F1 key. List, you can see the file and the work. Arjun, S6B1A, Asha, job B7, S6B6. These all are the file numbers. This is the navigation cursor. You can see job 5, S6. This is the file. And the star showing that the work in this file, there is some work, there is some data, but it is not taken out. And in job 5, you can see this is job 5, some work is there and the file is taken out. There is no star and the data is 0. And if you take Asha, and I take this file and escape, you can see job is Asha. Likewise, you can change the file name, and if you want to create a new file, you again go to the memory, job, and job name edit. You can edit this name and change this name with your name or your work. That's over. Then this is media selection, enter. You can see media selection, type USB or any other media. Yes, SD card, again USB SD card. This is the 2 method of taking out these points. If you press OK, then your particular file downloaded to the USB. Okay, escape from there. Again, measurement. You can see measurement. Any highlighted function is working with the key just below that function. You can see coordinate, tilt, SHV, setting out. These all are the functions. And you can see P3. P3 means page 3. In this page 3, there is 4 functions: coordinate, tilt, SHV, setting out. And if you change the function, press the function key, then page 1, there is area, MLM, REM, distance. These all are another functions. Again press, you can see P1 changes to P2. That is height HT, 0 set, horizontal angle, reduce level. Again you press function, you got P3. Again you press P1, that means only 3 pages here and 4 functions. That means 12 functions is you can use at a time. But in this instrument there is about 45 or 60 functions is there, and you can change these functions with your choices. That is, you can go to the configuration mode. Configuration, there is key function, there is so many things. Configuration, object conditions, instrument configuration, instrument constant, common setup, unit, everything you can change. And key function, if you enter the key function define, registration, recall, again enter, define, you can see the functions. These functions are you see first area, MLM, REM, distance, HT, zero set, horizontal angle, reduce level, coordinate, tilt, SHV, SO. These are the 4 pages. This is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. If you want to change any function to some other function, you use this navigation key, MLM, REM, distance, HT, zero set, horizontal angle, reduce level. You need not want to reduce level here, you want to some other function here, so you taken this point and this reduce level and using the bottom cursor or the upper cursor, you then press this, the function is changes, again press, function is changed, again press, function, recall. If you want to recall here, you just okay, then going back, then take the measurement, function page 1 and then page 2, you can see recall here. Sometimes before there reduce level, now it is recall. So in this way you can select the functions from the memory and install here.